Alright, so we're Igla again.
Igla as always.
And this week we'll do the baby
Food challenge.
baby food challenge.
Yeah.
We kinda these we don't know the flavors of, but because this is different, we know the flavor. So we're gonna just pick a random one. Each of us gonna get half of it. And we're gonna try to see which one, like guess the right one. And then yeah.
So why the flavor them I pick out?
I think green apple, peach, mango. Alright, so let's do this.
I look real appetizing.
Yeah.
We got. So no.
Oh, you can't say no.
Yeah, I don't want to try it, but food looks too delicious. Yeah, have it. You can have it.
Alright,
I'm
but
good.
Virgin, don't you have bitch out?
Yeah.
Alright.
We ever try baby food? You see?
Listen, the baby ate the food like Santa or Agony. So, oh, shit, let's
He
see.
ain't got no taste buds.
You ain't got taste buds, man. Alright.
One.
3, 1, what?
I feel. That's all. We can tell about that more one.
Tastes like peach. Tastes man, it's good. Actually, I'm really scared, but good. You got like a girl.
No. It takes you alone, daddy.
Yeah. I try to bitch out. Finish it.
Let's finish the spoon. Do it hard. No, sir. No, man. What is so sad?
I am not on everything on that peach.
No, Jack. No. Oh Lord. You hear that? Oh.
That's okay, I will say. Everything got a body.
Can't buy that. Look how you eat it like nothing.
Mate, I think about it.
You're good, my G. You're brilliant.
Alright. Cock your doors.
Just ring it on them one time. The texture alone just. Yes, man. Bon appetit, man. If you spit it, it's so like. Can make it good out. Go.
Alright, that's ain't no more. Mate, don't think about it.
I hope it tastes better.
Yo, I know me. Better move, dog.
Yo, whatever they look so. Look extra orange.
Man, no.
Whenever raise fall.
Yo, okay.
After we give four books. You first.
No, 2 hours seeing that fish.
Smell it. Just smell it.
No, me not smell it. Freak that.
You smell like 1 kilo.
Man, me not smell it. Look on this.
Just smell it.
The water, but the food. Alright.
Smell it. You don't smell like
No, me not smell it.
Just smell it.
It smell like mango season. You know rotten mango?
Just smell it, man.
No, me not smell it. You gotta force me to do no. Take a spoon. A full spoon. Me not that one a look spoon. I'm a baby spoon.
Full.
No, Arthur. You think so? I'm idiot. This?
Grimmy.
Grimmy. You love yourself, Grimmy. Okay, so we're gonna skip this one, yeah. On to the next one.
Yes, man. Yes, man. Salah.
Not like bad.
The texture my problem. This no feel good. It's sour though.
So in a freak. With the peach, with the mango, so I think that's either green apple or apple.
In all my experience, I feel like apple is going to taste better than the rest of them.
Because they're more like applesauce, right?
Yeah, my opinion.
And then applesauce have the same texture.
Right.
Alright, so
we're gonna
find out what it is. You hear clump? Anytime you open one in there.
Tropical rhythm.
Tropical rhythm.
You hear clump.
Alright, we each have just get one teaspoon.
Why this smell like heat? Oh, that's the worst. When you actually be the heater. Tastes better. Tastes better with it. But I try to get the worst one. No. Come on, man. You can do it. I'm gonna do that at the same time. Don't forget it. The furry. 1, 2, 3. Not time, but you take the bait. Nothing wrong with it, it's just grainy. And this is most definitely damn apple. I take salad, I'm messing it up. I take salad. Okay, don't be there, Nelly, though. I want to use the bathroom first. Block up. Click close, please. Alright, so finish this. This is bearable. Yeah, no, we don't want no more. You got it? No. Alright, I need some more apple. I like applesauce, actually. I know I have this shit. This is gonna be the killer. This is the tube. You see it look like when in the dynamite grenade? No, trust it. C4. No, man. This only grainy. If you need any grainy, it's better. I don't know. You stand this, touch me. The tongue, you just give a weird sensation. From the eyes go up to the brain, like. You just do, yeah. Hold it down, man. Hold it down. No. Let me hold your hat. White girls at the party. Let me hold your hair. No, listen, don't knock me back, guys. Don't knock me back. I said that. Alright. Freaking God. Oh. The apple never treated bad. Why is this taking so long? No, man. They never taste like. The taste? I go. See if we can finish this. Last. I'm sure you're gonna make a love on it. Smell it. Let me just get dizzy. Yeah, don't. There's no putting it back. Yeah, we can. We can put it in that fridge. Come on. Finish what we started. Why mine won't look like it more than yours? Why mine looks more than yours? Because the spoon didn't have it? Bruh. Move spoon. I see him. Oh, yes, I see him. I see him. Oh. Okay. I don't like we're gonna eat all of this shit. Well, why I should something. I mean, I saved them. Actually, I saved them this time, fish. Come in. 1, 2, 3. You think I can do this at the fish? Go ahead. Never taste it. Yes, man. No, it reminds me of something. What tequila? Beanie, man. Yo, listen. You remember Ribena? Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, the juice that with the monster bunny? Yeah. I never tasted it, but know that.
Freak that shit. Nah. Yeah. That just feel like saying I'm gonna make me vomit.
Oh Jesus. Well, all in all,
that?
all in all, I can say, babies, y'all brave.
When I got some heart.
You got some
and
stomach,
soul.
not some soul, man.